Hello guys, what's going on? Today, I've just received my Google Fi SIM card in the mail, and what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and see what comes in the packaging, and I'm going to set it up as well on my Pixel 3a here, just to show you guys how easy it is to set this up, um, and just let you know I am running this with the January security patch, I believe. I have to verify that. Um, but yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's included. Yeah, so it comes in this nice little envelope, this little package that has a piece of tape on the side. So what I'm going to do here is open this, or try to open this with this SIM tool I have here, which is not very ideal, but it'll have to work. All right, so once you get that open and you open it up, you're greeted here with Let's Connect. So it tells you insert your SIM into your phone. So use the tool to open the SIM tray on your phone, insert the SIM, usually logo side up. Okay, and then to set up your number, you're going to download the Google Fi app to finish setup. So you can either go to this website and get it, or you can go to the Play Store and download it if you're on Android. And then if you need help, there's a website down here you can go to, or there's a number you can call. So let's see. Inside here, using an iPhone. So basically, this is just a sheet that tells you some APN settings you need to put in on your iPhone if you want to get text working. And that's it. So I'll leave this here for a second. If you want to pause the video and read this, if you are coming from an iPhone. Okay. And then on this side, you get a SIM tool and the SIM card, which I'm going to go ahead and pop off of here and set this to the side. And we'll go ahead and release the SIM here. And that seems like that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and open this up here, put the SIM in, and then I'll get back to you guys in a second. Actually, I figured I'll go ahead and show you guys the whole process here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the SIM card out, or the SIM tray out. I'll take this old AT&T SIM out, and I'm going to go ahead and pop the Google Fi SIM. And let's see here if I can see this behind there. Go ahead and pop that in. It sits in there just like that. Let's go ahead and pop this back in the phone here. Let's see. Let's see if it pulls signal here. So we do have some bars. So this notification popped up to finish activating. So let's go here. If that'll, there we go. All right. So I'm not going to transfer number. So this is the screen you'll get to. So if you're going to transfer number, you click on this option, and I'm sure it'll ask for your account number from your previous carrier and some information. But I'm going to get a new number, so we're going to go this way. So welcome to Google Fi. You're activated service on this phone. You can reach us with any questions about your number or manage your setting and service, or your service and settings anytime with the Google Fi app. Nice. Okay, so let's press next. All right, so this is what the app looks like when you come into it. As you do see here, I am on the unlimited plan, which I might switch over to the a plan with just set data, because the unlimited plan, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using the phone that much to need unlimited, if that makes sense. So for the first month here, I'm going to play around and see how much I use and see what the price difference is between the other ones. So like I was saying, we're in the app here. So the top here is going to show, usually it would show data usage here, I'm assuming, if you didn't have a unlimited plan. And so far I've used 0 gigs because I just set this up. And then if you get in here, it'll show you got one person and one device. So let's go to manage plan. So right here, I'm on the unlimited, and then it's going to show my Pixel. And then let's see here, international features, service outside the US and call to non-US numbers. Those are on automatically. And then down here, you can pause service, pause data, switch plans, or leave Google Fi if you want to. So let's go back. So phone settings, let's go to families. So only your contacts. So I'm assuming this is where you can turn on this right here will block unknown numbers, I'm assuming. And then if you had family members on your plan as well, I'm assuming you could set a data limit or slow their data down at a certain amount. So we got voicemail, which is blocked out, call forwarding, which you can just add a number to forward your calls to. You got spam and block numbers. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Wi-Fi calling, that's nice, it's on by default. Find network tools. So let's see, enhanced network beta, I'm going to turn this on So basically, this just downloads a Google VPN. Um, let's see. So it's just for a more secure connection. Okay. So we'll leave that on. And then app theme, I'm assuming you can do system default, dark or light. I'm just going to leave it on default. And then down here, you can change your service address, your notifications, privacy. That's nice. Let's go to the billing tab so we don't have a bill. So here you can change your payment methods. Shop, you can shop for a new phone if you'd like. And then you have the support tab where you can go here and contact them, or you can look at articles for other things as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the app. Let's see here. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. So we're getting LTE, so I'm going to run a quick speed test here and see what we're getting speed-wise. Let's let it find the server first. There we go. Let's go ahead and run a speed test here. So about 12.5 down and about 9 up. It's not too bad. The area I'm in, the signal's not very great here, which I know it does show that I have almost full signal, but the actual strength is not very good. So yeah, we're about 12.5 and 9.3. I will do other tests as well in more populated areas and see what we get versus my Note 20 Ultra, which I don't know where it is. But I will do a side-by-side comparison between those two. It's on T-Mobile as well as this using T-Mobile's network, and we'll see the difference. But yeah, other than that, everything's pretty much good to go. So we can go here, see everything that's working here. I was on Wing's website checking it out. Let's go to Google. So that's loaded up. It's nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, like I was saying, I am going to make more videos about this. I'm going to also do a video on my Note 20 Ultra with Fi set up on there to show how easy it is as well. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the process is fairly simple. All you got to do is just insert the SIM, put it in, open the app, and it activates, and you're good to go. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and press the like button. If you have any comments or feedback, go ahead and leave that in the section down below. And I'll see you in the next one.